Don't get me wrong, I really like my Linux system. One great thing about it is its loyalty. If you wanted to, it would even kill itself. Watch this video to see how. This video is about something that you shouldn't do at your home PC. At least not if you don't want to lose a lot of data. Because that's exactly what we are going to do today. I want to show you that in Linux you can do everything you want with your computer. It's yours. You can also delete your whole system. So I'm gonna try deleting my whole system by using the terminal. We are in a virtual machine, obviously, and I don't store any important data on this machine because I'm not really stupid, just a little bit. So let's type in sudo for gaining super user privileges for one command, rm for remove, dash, and the options are for recursively, which means that this command should also include subfolders. F for force, so don't ask me any questions, just do it. And verbose, because I want to see my system suffering right here. And what I'm going to delete is my root folder. Asks for my password. Because, okay, it's dangerous to operate recursively on the root folder. Okay, well, we need an extra option. No preserve root. Let's try it again. Beautiful. As you can see, what I'm currently doing is removing all the system files and all the files in my whole system. And Linux does that. It destroys itself if you really wanted to. But at least it showed a warning. Guess this will take some time. Oh, operation not permitted. Interesting. Doesn't delete everything. Okay, that's a nice effect. We just lost our desktop environment. Isn't that nice? And now our system crashes. Okay, well, I guess there's not a lot happening after that. Well, there's two things I want you to be aware of. And number one is that if you do this, you're going to destroy your system, which is the same thing that I just did. So, again, I'm not taking any responsibility for deleting all your system files. If you want to do that, fine. And the second thing is, this is not a good way to securely wipe your whole system. If you want to be all of your data to be removed, you should put your hard drive into another computer, or use some boot up system, some system that you can boot up from CD-ROM, and then access your hard drive and securely wipe it. Because obviously we didn't delete all of our data. We just deleted data until our system wasn't able to work anymore. Okay, well, this was rather a fun video, so I'm hoping you had a little fun watching this. God bless you. Bye.